Hey everyone, welcome to Arting AI Online Tools. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Arting AI's AI Image Expansion feature. It only takes 3 simple steps, and it's totally free. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Arting.ai and find AI Image Extender on the top. First, click Upload Photo. Choose the image you want to expand. It works perfectly with portraits, illustrations, or landscapes. Once uploaded, you'll see a quick preview. Step 2. Choose the size or ratio. Arting AI offers presets like 2x, 4x, or standard ratios such as 16:9 and 9:16. Step 3. Click Generate. Arting AI will process your image in seconds. If you like it, hit Download to save your HD. Watermark free result instantly. You can also set custom dimensions. If you want to expand the canvas instead of just enlarging it, to wrap it up, Arting AI's AI Image Expansion is fast, realistic, and completely free. It's perfect for upgrading old photos, enhancing thumbnails, or preparing content for social media. Try Arting AI today. One click, endless possibilities.